I'm going to start a video series on statistics, and I know what I'm going to hear. Well, you've started so many other video series, and you never have finished any of those. Why are you going to start yet another one? Well, you know me, I just do things like that. That's just me. But anyway, in this video series, you're going to have to know Euclid's elements. You're going to have to know the Greek letters sigma and delta. That's right. I showed you all that in previous videos. I talked about functions. You're going to have to know all that. Okay? And the reason for that is you're going to have to know the Pythagorean theorem. You're going to have to know sines, cosines, and tangents. I covered all of that in previous videos. You're going to see the symbols of the Greek letters sigma and delta because statistics has limits on it, which is sigma. No, that's delta. Sorry, that's delta. And it has number series, which comes from sigma. So you're going to have to know all this. So if you don't know all this already, you need to go back to several of my videos and study those first, then come back here. You're going to be dealing with ratios. What was Euclid Book 7? Ratios. Okay? You're also going to hear some computer terms in here, because data processors process statistics. That's what they do. They process other things too, but they do process statistics, and so therefore. Alright. So, first of all, what is a variable? A lot of you people should know this by now. A variable is basically a number wearing a costume. That's the best way I can describe it to you. It's a number wearing a costume. In other words, when you say X, what you're really meaning is the number 3, or the number 4, or the number 762. It doesn't matter what the number is. You're just saying X instead of that number. That's what it is. Okay? Now, what is a data set and datum? That's what the title of this video is. I'm going to explain this. Okay. We have a classroom. You can see there's 10 rooms in this classroom. Each room contains a certain number of students. Room number 1 has 23 students. Room number 2 has 25 students, and so on and so forth, all the way down the line. What's a datum? That 23 is a datum. That's one number in this data set. That's right. If you put all 10 of these numbers combined, you get a data set. But if you're talking about a particular number, you're talking about a datum. So now you know the difference between datum and data set. A datum is one number, like 23, and the data set is all 10 of these numbers combined. Alright. I will tell you more in my next video. Stay tuned.